40 amazing ways to use baking soda and benefits you never knew. In this movie, I'll show you 40 great ways baking soda can help you. Many of us think that baking soda is just something we use in baking or to keep our fridges smelling fresh, but it's actually very good for your health. Good for your health and home. Baking soda can be used to clean your bathroom and get rid of weeds in your yard, other strange and wonderful things. Here's a huge list of ideas to get you started. Number 1. Razor burn relief for razor burn. Razor burns can be very irritating to the skin. To get rid of the redness and irritation, mix water and baking soda and dab it in your skin with a cotton ball. Number 2. Clean wall scuff. From crayon marks to everyday bumps and bruises, our walls take a beating. Use baking soda and a damp of cloth to remove wall scuffs and graffiti made by kids. Use a wet sponge to clean up the wall floss. Number 3. Foot odor. The antimicrobial qualities of baking soda are great for getting rid of smelly feet, and so is baking soda. Soak smelly feet in a bath of baking soda and water to get rid of the smell, and a bath in water to get rid of the smell. Also, put baking soda in your shoes to soak up any extra wetness overnight. Remove the water rings if you've got. If you forgot to use a coaster, you can easily remove water rings from the table by mixing baking soda and water. Use a soft cloth and rub in a circular motion. Number 4. Teddy bears can be cleaned. Teddy bears are cute, but they tend to get dirty. Baking soda can be used to clean pet animals and keep them clean. Number 5. Putting the toy in a plastic bag is enough. Put the toy in a baking soda in a plastic bag and seal it. Then, close the bag and shake it well with the baking soda inside. Shake the bag well to help the baking soda attract dust and dirt and clean number 6 stuffed animals of any leftover dust. Number 6. Alleviate canker sores. Small mouth blisters are called canker sores, and baking soda is a natural way to treat them. Canker sores can be healed naturally with baking soda. Canker sores can be treated by putting baking soda directly on the sore and rinsing the mouth with baking soda and water. Both of these methods will work well. Number 7. Use as a mask for your face. The anti-inflammatory features of baking soda help to stop acne flare-ups and dry out spots. You can make a great face mask at home by mixing baking soda, water, and lemon juice. This mask is also a great way to get rid of acne scars. Number 8. It can be used to get rid of bugs. Use it to ease the pain of bug bites. You can get rid of the bug bite by making a mix of baking soda and water and putting it on the bug bite. Baking soda helps draw out the moisture and stop the itching. Number 9. To get rid of splinters. Soda also helps get rid of splinters by making the skin grow and pulling the splinter out. Make a mix of water and baking soda and put it in the splinter. Cover it with a bandage and the splinter should come out and be easy to remove the next day. Number 10. Remove musty book smells. Older books often have the smell of age. Use baking soda to get rid of musty book odors. Sprinkle baking soda between the leaves to make number 11 look new again. Number 11. Clean patio furniture. Patio furniture can get a lot of wear and tear. To keep outdoor sets clean while you're using them, wipe them down with baking soda and water. When putting patio furniture away for the winter, put baking soda in the storage bag to keep it fresh. Number 12. Clear the drain. Everyday use makes it easy for drains to get stuck. You can unclog your drain by mixing baking soda and vinegar. This mixture bubbles, so be careful and cover the drain for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, run hot water to the drain. Number 13. To get rid of sunburn. For sunburn relief, burns can be painful. To ease the pain of a sunburn, apply baking soda mixed with cold water to the affected area. Aloe vera can be added for extra relief. Number 14. Remove coffee stains. You can clean coffee cups with coffee stains by using baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda into the cup and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, dip a cloth in cold water and scrub the inside of the dirty cup. Number 15. Clean the silverware. Boil water and add a teaspoon or 2 of baking soda to a metal pan. Place the silverware in the pan and let it sit for a few minutes. Use tongs to remove the silverware and let it cool before drying. Number 16. Clean outdoor grill. Barbecues are great, but the grease and dust on them aren't. With baking soda, you can easily clean your grill. Make sure the grill is cold. Make sure the grill is cool and then use a brush to get rid of all the grit. Number 17. Keep flowers alive and growing. Keep using baking soda to keep keep flowers fresh for as long as possible. Just put a teaspoon of baking soda in the vinegar, add a teaspoon of baking soda to the vase and fill it with water. For an extra boost, add an ice cube. Number 18. Clean the battery posts on your car. Having buildup on your car's battery can make it last less. By making a paste with baking soda and water, you can clean the battery grate. Disconnect the battery and use a toothbrush to clean the contacts. Clean spacers and braces. Clean retainers and braces for teeth. Baking soda is a strong disinfectant that can kill germs. To keep your retainer or braces clean, brush them with baking soda and water. This method works very well for teeth as well. Get rid of mold. Number 20. Get rid of mildew. With baking soda, you can clean the parts of the bathroom that are hard to get to. If you want to go the extra mile, make a paste of water and baking soda and scrub the bathroom tiles and sink with it. Then, rinse the water off. White paint was sprayed on the area. Spray the area lightly with white vinegar to clean it even more. 21. Heartburn can be treated. Heartburn can be painful. Baking soda can help get rid of stomach acid because it is a natural acid neutralizer. Heartburn can be helped by natural antacids. If you have heartburn, put a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and slowly drink it. 22. You can make your bright clothes look better. Adding a half cup of baking soda to a load of laundry is a great way to make colors and whites look brighter. Using baking soda with your regular liquid laundry soap will make sure your clothes don't smell. 23. Baking soda can be used to remove paint. Using baking soda to strip paint instead of strong chemicals is a quick, easy, and safe way to do it. Hot water and baking soda can be used to scrape into the paint surface. 24. Help with a burned pan. Some pots and pans take a little more work to clean, especially if they get burned. This burned on food can be hard to get off with normal wash. Sprinkle a lot of baking soda in the burnt pan, then add water. Use a sponge to clean away any residue that is still there. Then pour in hot water and use a sponge to scrub off the rest. 25. Clean up brushes. Sponges are a great place for germs to grow, so make sure you clean them, and they sometimes need to be cleaned in between changes. Soaking a sponge in baking soda will clean it and make it last longer. 26. You can neutralize refrigerator smells by using odors. Use baking soda to get rid of bad smell in your fridge. Baking soda gets rid of smells in the fridge by combining with odor particles and getting rid of them. Make a small hole in the baking soda box and keep it in the fridge. 27. A shower curtain can be cleaned. Over time, baking soda can be used to clean the shower curtain. Shower curtains often get dirty and look bad. To clean them, scrub them with baking soda and a damp brush. 28. How to put out a small kitchen fire. For small kitchen fires that started with oil or grease, immediately grab the baking soda. Baking soda helps put out fire by adding carbon dioxide to the flame. In fact, baking soda is also used in fire extinguishers. 29. Kill unwanted weeds. Sprinkle baking soda in cracks of driveways, walkways, and flower beds to kill unwanted weeds. Baking soda is recyclable, non-toxic. Baking soda is biodegradable and doesn't harm the environment, so it can be used instead of harmful weed sprays. As an environmentally friendly alternative to chemical weed sprays, the roots of the weeds will die in just a few days. 30. Whiten teeth. Baking soda is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to whiten teeth. It helps get rid of black buildup and surface spots on teeth. Just brush your teeth with baking soda after using toothpaste that contains baking soda. After you brush your teeth with regular toothpaste, brush them with baking soda to keep your teeth bright and white. 31. Grease spots. You can get rid of grease stains in your garage by using baking soda. Heavy-handedly put baking soda on the stain and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Then scrub the area with a damp cloth or sponge. If you need to, you can do this step more than once. You can use number 32 to get rid of pests. Use as pest control. Ants, roaches, and other pests can be kept away from your home by putting baking soda near their nests. 33. Trash can get smelly. You can help absorb strong smells and keep your kitchen smelling fresh by using baking soda in your trash can. Simply sprinkle baking soda at the bottom of your trash can and it can get rid of unwanted smells. 34. Get rid of old stains. Great scraps leave stains, but old stains can be cleaned by soaking the dirty container for 30 minutes in a blend of baking soda and water. Then, use a sponge or wet cloth to wipe away the stains. 35. Get Get rid of tough spots on carpets. Using baking soda and vinegar together helps get deep stains out of carpets and furniture. The mixture fizzes, works hard to get the tough stains out. 36. Use it as a rinse. Baking soda is great for your oral health when used as a rinse because it kills bacteria and other germs. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with half a teaspoon of mouthwash and swish it around your mouth. Mix a half teaspoon of mouthwash with a half teaspoon of warm water and swish. 37. You can use dry shampoo. If you're tired of washing your hair every day, try baking soda as a dry shampoo. It absorbs extra oil from the hair and makes it look cleaner. Make sure to sprinkle the baking soda lightly and rub it in well. 38. It can remove odors from pet beds. We love our pet, and sometimes we need to make sure their beds are clean too. Sprinkle baking soda in your pet's bed. Let it sit for about 15 minutes and then vacuum the surface to keep it fresh and clean. 39. Treat a jellyfish sting. Jellyfish stings happen more often than we think. Baking soda can help treat a jellyfish sting. First, rinse the area with vinegar, then add hot water mixed with baking soda. The last and final one is 40. Fruits and vegetables should be washed. Baking soda can be used to clean fruits and vegetables. To get rid of pesticides and other chemicals, you must wash fruits and vegetables. Baking soda has been found to be one of the best ways to clean fruits and vegetables. Just soak the fruits and vegetables in water for 15 minutes with a spoonful of baking soda, then rinse and dry. Baking soda is a cheap, natural solution that can be used to do a lot of different things. It can be used to clean your bathroom or face, treat indigestion, and even treat your hair. All of these baking soda uses are pretty amazing. I hope you liked this video about 40 great uses and benefits of baking soda that you probably didn't know. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you later.